So guys, welcome in today's video. In today's video I will be talking about how to use OBS Studio. So in this video I will be doing the quick guide how to use OBS Studio. So let's jump in. So guys, now first step, what you need to do is click on plus and go click on window capture. When you go on window capture, just click OK, and now this is everything what you need to know. Just click OK, and that's everything. I doesn't need the second one. And if you did something before on your OBS and you wonder how you can delete it, just click on minus, and that's it. So the second thing, when you added your window capture, go on plus and go display capture, click OK. And now you select here on which monitor you want to record. I got two displays, so I'm going to record on my first display. So I will be selecting my first display and now click OK. So I have already one display capture for my recording, so I do not need that one. Click on minus and just click yes. So the next thing, if you want to record some games or whatever, just click on plus and just go game capture. Just go OK and click on this first one and allow this too. So guys, that's it for the first step. So the second step of using OBS, like you want to make the people can hear you, just click on plus and go on the audio output capture 2. I mean, it's mine, it's 2 because I already got one. So now select your headphones or microphone wherever you have. I'm using like headphones now, so like I will be going like on my I'm not sure what, but I'll go. I mean, I already have that selected, and you just select your headphones, and that's everything. So the next step, if you wonder how you can add your hand cam or face cam, now I will be showing you. So go on plus, now you added like everything what you need for a first step. So you will be like locking this both of them, cause I say so. So the next thing, you just go on plus and go video capture device. So just name it cam. Just cam. I said cam. Bro, cam. Like this. And now you select your camera. So now like when you select your camera, just click on it. My camera doesn't work now, so that's bad. Just like select your camera. Mine is not working now because it's not plugged in. Like if it doesn't have camera now, just go like OBS virtual camera. This is like when your camera is turned off. So now like take it wherever you want, in whatever angle, and like you can move it wherever you want. So the second thing, how you want to have a second camera, like imagine like you want to have like a face cam and a hand cam. Like if you saw on like other YouTubers, like you need scenes, you doesn't need anything. Just click again and just go this. I figure out myself. I'm so smart. I'm so proud of myself. Just go and name it cam 2. So when you name it cam 2, that's everything. So this is my general webcam. Now mine is not plugged in. Like if you wanna have like two cameras, like now you will be seeing your like second camera. So I have my other camera, but I doesn't want to plug it now. So as you can want to go, just select your camera, and I will be selecting this again because I don't have cameras, because sad. So now guys, you have a both of cameras. You can move it wherever you want, and that's it. So the next step, what you wanna do, I mean, bro, what am I doing? So just go on settings. Okay. Now, like the general, bro. Like the general language, you can select wherever language you want. You have Ruski, and now you got some Chinese language, Egypt language, bro, Egypt language. You have Dansk, and I will be selecting English. And now this is how you wanna have your bro, like it's like a color of your OBS, bro. It's like the same as Discord, bro. Dark. Who uses like a white, bro? Like nobody. What is happening, bro? No, chill. Okay, so like select this one next. So when you select this one, bro. What is happening? Wait, I have to make a quick pause. So guys, I'm back. Like when you select this one, select the first one. So the next step, what you want to do, like if you have some of this default turned on, just turn off all of it because you doesn't need them. So the second step is like source augment snapping, like do on 10 snap sensitivity. I mean I think it's like default, I'm not sure. Just go enable and like enable those both. If it's like this and this, like enable only these both. So the second thing, like you doesn't want any of this, just turn it off. I mean, don't enable it. So the system tray, just enable anything, like minimize the system tray when started. You doesn't know this, and always minimize the system tray instead of taskbar. No. So just turn off all of those. You doesn't need them. If you have something like on default, no, you doesn't need them. So and also this one, turn it off because you doesn't need them. So now, as guys you can see, turn on all of those and just horizontal 8 scenes. Now, like how is your monitor? I'm lost, bro. I'm lost. Okay, like wherever how you wanna record your monitor. Is your monitor horizontal, vertical, or I don't know, whatever. Just, I mean, I think this is the default. I'm not sure. Just leave it like this. I mean, except to you. How is your monitor recording? So a stream. If you wanna stream, then watch from other YouTubers. I don't know. So this is for streaming. You doesn't need anything of this. I mean, if you want to stream, just select this one and like do it on like the highest resolution which you can. The highest resolution. So just go now on recording, because I'm not here for streaming. I'm only for recording. So this is like my thing on what I'm going to like. On what I'm going to like where are my videos going. Like the first step, go like here, bro. Just I will be talking, bro. Like the next thing what you need to do. Just first step. Like audio track, you need one, and like select your NVIDIA. Mine NVIDIA is good enough, I think. So now, like rate controls, just select this one, like because it's the best one so far. So now, as guys you can see, now it's like I don't know. Just select the 0, bro. It's a 0. I said bang, bro. 0. Hey. You're going to 4. Okay, just must be firmness. Just select 2. So now we go on audio. I mean, like if you select this, just go here on audio. I was joking, psych. So look, this is like the name, what you want to name it, whatever name will be. Just select on like 3020, 320. I said 320, not 3020. Just forget. And like audio, name it however you want. 128. Select on it. And like I think this for default. Like I'm not sure. It's like 128 and 160, 46. I think for 64, so 160. Like name it whatever you want. Now like replayable for doesn't need this. Just don't enable it. So now we go on audio. So as guys you can see, now we are on audio. So like this is the highest what my headphones can fit. Just click here and like go on stereo because you want to make your people can hear you. I mean if you go on 7.1 that's bad because like the people then can't hear you. It's only like a sound like on your headphones. I mean mine are very good so I can select 7.1. I mean like just go on stereo. That's everything what you need to know for first time. I mean like if you're a profi streamer, like I don't know, then do it yourself. So like just disable everything from here. You doesn't need any of that, like desktop audio. Like I mean like you can hear it now, it's my desktop audio, but like it will hear like my mice and everything, like when I'm clicking and everything. You doesn't know this. I mean you doesn't need. So like disable all of this, like just click on fast and like simple peak. I think this is from default, I'm not sure, but like go on simple peak. Simple, not simple. So just go on default because Pakistan, because of Pakistan. I mean like go on default wherever you want. Just copy over from mine. Just don't enable this. And here, as you can see, just copy from mine. You doesn't need like you just need 0MC. So that's everything. So now we go on the video. The audio, as you can see, that's everything what you need for the first time. So now we go on our video. I said video. So I said bye. No, whatever. Just now bass, whatever. Just select your highest resolution which your monitor can fit. Mine is the greatest one so far. I mean it's the greatest. So like now like you got here like a lot of performance, but like select like 180p. I said 1080p, not 180p. Whatever. Just here, go on the last one. If it doesn't have last one, then your problem. I'm joking. Just click wherever you like want. If it doesn't have the last one, I mean probably you have like now like if you want to record some like games, go on like on 60 FPS. Now like if you want to record like some I don't know, like me. Just go down on 30. That's everything. Just go and play. So play. Now you just go on hotkeys. Accept to you. You got F9, F10, F7, F8. Like this for me. Like start recording, stop recording, pause recording, unpause recording. Accept to you wherever you want. Like you hear like a lot of things here more. Like you have, not here. So now like for this. Now this is the important part. Go on the normal. It doesn't need a high because I mean, if you have a good computer, I mean, mine is not the best, but it's okay one. Like, I doesn't want like a high and above normal. Just click normal, blow like blow, bro. What the hell? Just if you have like a bad computer and you want to record. Sorry, my friend, you have to select the worst one. I mean, for me, it's like the normal one. So like here, Direct 3D 11. I think this is default. I don't know about you. Just go like select like this. I mean it doesn't need RGB, bro, no. Not RGB, bro. It's so disgusting. I mean, bro, like just select like this. I mean that's whatever you need, bro. Like this everything you need. Just go select like N12. I mean like NVIDIA. I mean it's not NVIDIA. Like select wherever like W, bro, what the hell W? I said like only we, like wherever we you have, and just like now just go on like color space. Accept to you whatever you want. For me is the best like 709, like and just go on full. So the next thing what you wanna do, just go here and like. Bro, no, we're running out of time. Got 30 more seconds for Pakistan. I'm joking. Like now, as guys you can see, I don't know what's that, and also this. I mean, like, you want to record in MP4, cause like I was recording on the other ones, and you can't upload the video without automatically remix to MP4. So that's it. So the now like bro. So SOS, bro. What? So now, just don't enable it and just go on this one. I think for this default, because like, I can't sell it because it's for stream, and like, automatically reconnect. Just go on like wherever your PC can fit. That's up to you. I just click like on 10 seconds, and like, you also can like select like, also like, I'm on 20. This is like for like, so for not a great PC, but it's like the PC what you got, bro. You can't like choose the PC until you got enough money to buy, bro. I'm joking. No, like, just go like, default, cause I don't know what to say, bro. You're not speed. LOL, bro. What the hell is my problem? Just go like, don't enable those things, cause you don't need them. I mean, it's for default. I was like literally having this for fucking 2 years. So now enable browser something, and now just enable it and just go here. Never disable. I don't know, whatever you want. Just go now on play, and that's it for the first Gotti. Like, here, just select like, so now like select 250, 25.0, bro. What the hell? Just go select 250 and like go on fade. So this is like what you need for like a beginner Gotti. No, Elsa. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed, bro. Quick Gotti, bro. It's literally like 17, bro.